Hello, hello. It is Saturday. Welcome to day 6 of TVC Live, our special series, 2 weeks of travel tweaks. If you are catching the replay, make sure you put hashtag replay. Tell me where you're coming from. Tell me your RV status. Are you a full-timer? Are you a dreamer? Are you an RV owner? What's your status? I'd love to know. Day 6, we are coming at you with Fix It Yourself RV maintenance tips so you can stop wasting money at the dealer right now. Seriously, guys, you don't have to spend as much as you think at the dealer. Your RV doesn't have to spend as much time there. And all of these resources are brought to you by my husband and myself, all these tips today. And as you can see, there's our little graphic for our course, Fix It Yourself. And that's something that Ed and I launched back in March. If you're not a student, you should be. And the course is open for enrollment and purchase come Monday in this super bundle, Smart Travel super bundle. Remember that goes on sale Monday, July 15th, and you're going to be able to get our course for its lowest price ever. Anyway, I am excited about today. This is a wicked important topic. I know I say this every day, but RV maintenance, it can really make or break your experience. So if you are ready, put that hashtag ready to roll. I figured our guys with the jumper cables right here would be an appropriate gift to put on for our RV maintenance. All right, let's get into it. Tip number 1, don't skip your preventative maintenance. Honestly, I could get on my soapbox right now and talk about the RV industry and how RVs just ain't made like they used to be, you know what I'm saying? But seriously, if we as RV owners do our preventative maintenance, a lot of things will go right for us. Check your seals, get a checklist with all this stuff and do it routinely. Don't skip out on it. What's another good one? Exercise your generator. If you have a generator, we have a motorhome, so one came with it. I know a lot of fifth wheels, toy haulers, they come with generators too. Even if you're not using it, you need to exercise it with a load. So that means with electricity on, lights going, things like that, at least once a month. I recommend for at least 30 minutes. I know some people say more, some people say, oh, 10 minutes. But honestly, I think with a load for 30 minutes will keep you going. Also, air conditioner. Ed is an RV tech. Ed's my husband, if you don't know. And seriously, his busiest moments are during the summer when people bring their RV out of storage, things like that, and they're turning that air conditioning on. It's 80 degrees at the campground and it's not working. So make sure you do that routine maintenance of your air conditioner. Check out, make sure everything's good, clean out the filters, etc. Don't skip your preventative maintenance. There are checklists out there. Download them, buy them. They are worth it just to get that maintenance going and to keep it top of mind because it's really important. Number 2, get yourself a set of tools. Seriously, if you go to my website, thevirtualcampground.com, you can look at, I think it's like the last blog post about, you just search RV tools and you can get a free checklist and a whole blog post full of information on why you need these tools. But seriously, a set of tools is worth the storage space to put them in, and they are simple. RVs, they might seem like huge beasts, but really most everything on it is pretty simple, all the systems. So you just need simple tools. Wrench, ratchet, what else do I have written down? Drill bit set, pliers, you know, things like that. Like seriously, things that you probably already have in your house or that you had in your house before you hit the road if you're full time, that you need to set aside some space in your rig for them. Get yourself a good set of tools. Again, they don't have to be expensive. They're not really, all the tools that you need are not big, so you're definitely going to find room. Hey, Debbie's checking in. Hey, Debbie, how you doing? If you guys are watching live, say hi. Tell me where you're coming from. I know it's a Saturday, so thanks for checking in with me. We are talking about RV maintenance. Anyway, let's get to tip number 3. Educate yourself. I feel like I should have said this first, or this could have been the only tip. Let me make this smaller because it's in my space. Educating yourself is so important. Spend a little extra dough, spend a little extra cash to make sure you're getting the right information about your rig. First, of course, for free, go through the owner's manual, ask the dealer or the private owner when you buy it, things like that. But as you're going through and learning your systems, spend a little extra money. Don't spend hours on Google. Don't spend hours watching videos like this on YouTube, because chances are this person might have learned from someone that was wrong. And Ed has told me more than a handful of times that he's gone to check out a rig, something's not working, and it's because someone watched something on YouTube and they were given misinformation. Not that it was wrong, but maybe it was wrong for their RV. And so, you know, while RVs are rather simple and simply built, like I said at the beginning, at the top of this video, there's no industry standard. So one manufacturer may be making it this way and another's making it that way. So spend a little extra money, buy a course. There's a couple courses online you can buy. You can buy ours. Hell yeah, that would be awesome. But there's another one. There's RV Repair Club. There's also courses you can take in person, workshops, things like that. It doesn't matter where you're spending your money. I just want you to spend a little extra money to educate yourself, to get the right the right information so that you can fix your rig yourself. Because honestly, 80% of the things that go wrong with your RV, you can either fix by doing preventative maintenance so that they never happen, or fix yourself with those simple tools I was just telling you about if you have the right information. So go ahead, educate yourself, spend a little extra money on a course, a workshop. Heck, you can go to an RV tech school. If you're going to be a full-timer, I highly recommend it. They're about $6,000, but they're 10 weeks, Monday through Friday. It's going to change your world because you're going to know every single thing about your RV and you're going to be 100% confident. Anyway, those are my tips. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on a Saturday. I see a lot of you actually. Debbie says she shared. Thank you so much. If you guys find these tips valuable, share in your Facebook group, share on your Facebook profile, wherever you see fit. Email them to another RV buddy. I'm working hard here. Anyway, I just want to remind you that these are coming at you from the Smart Travel Super Bundle, which our course is in. It's going to be the lowest price ever, and that's going to go on sale Monday, July 15th. You can get on a waiting list right now. If you can't wait, I'm going to put that in the comments when I get off of here. But seriously, you guys, this is only going to be $47. Woo! Is that fun or what? It's only going to be $47. If you remember, or if you were a part of my launch when we launched the course back in March, it was $97. So you're going to be able to get the course for only, you know, less than 50 bucks. That's a tank of gas. You know, it's nothing. Anyway, tomorrow we're coming at you with day 7. Take a hike, learn how to backpack like a pro. That is going to be super fun. Again, I can't wait till Monday so you guys can get the course and all these other amazing resources that I've shared with you the last 6 days for only $47. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here tomorrow at 12:30 for some backpacking tips.